Everyone, how you doing today? Today I have a fun box for you. My Macy's beauty box has come. Always get excited for this one. Have not even opened it yet. This came a few days ago. No, it didn't come today. It came a few days ago, but I haven't even opened it. Have not filmed in about a week and a half, something like that. They're piling up, so I said, okay, gotta get on it. And this is what it looks like when you get your Macy's beauty box. I love this box because it opens straight out to be recycled. Always comes packaged nicely in pink paper. You do get a little card, this little card now, and you can scan the QR code to find out information on the products. This is Goddess Glow Perfected for March 2024. I have $5 off my next $20 beauty purchase. Sometimes you can get 10 off of 40. And this must be a little bonus. What are we? Like a little bag of some sort. Let's see. Oh, I don't know what you are, and I don't want to undo you, but I will. So I'm trying to get it out of there to see what it is. Oh, it's like a little, it's a little tote. Nice. And then this, which is your, becomes the inside pocket. That's great for shopping. I might put this directly into my car for when I go to the market. Go anywhere that you want to, you know, Target. Well, you know, I have Target bags, but great little pocket thing. This is really adorable. I love this. Love the coloring, like a watercolor, like a splash. That is so cute. So let's just put that back here. That's adorable. That's worth it right there. And let's see what else we have. Everything's going to start hitting me first. Sometimes I swear I use the smallest table possible to do this. And I have bigger tables, but let's see. From Sunday Riley, we have B3 Nice Niacinamide Serum. I don't know if I have this one. Do I? Might. I don't think so, though. Which is good. It's a little sample to try now. I don't think I have this one. Nice. Can't wait. Serum, you don't need a lot. So excited for that. This is funny. I have so much of this stuff. From First Aid Beauty, Pure Skin Face Cleanser. But this one's a great travel. So I might keep that. Hopefully things, you know, hopefully this summer everything pans out. Or early fall. I would love to go out west this year. From Origins, we have checks and balances, and this is a milky oil cleanser. Interesting. I can see the oil on the top. Shake it up and bring it all together, and then it's like cloudy. That's nice. I haven't tried that. For Perricone MD Firming and Brightening Eye Cream, this is always a great one to have a little sample of because you only need a little tiny dab under each eye, so you can get quite a few uses. I think I have a big one of this, if I'm not mistaken. So I do like that. And from Caudalie, the Vino Perfect Radiance Serum. This stuff is phenomenal. Any of the Vino Perfect, I think, or Vino Pure, Vino Perfect, I think of their lines. Caudalie, very, very good. Caudalie is a wonderful brand. So excited for that. We have no perfume sample this month, I noticed. So that's going to be disappointing for some. But great products nonetheless. So I am very happy. This is only $15 a month. Once again, you do sign up on Macy's.com for this one. And, you know, there is tax, I do believe. It is only available in the 48 U.S. states. But I'm loving the bag. I think this is so adorable. And this is going to literally... I can fold it up and leave it in this little pouch, or I can just put it in the back of my SUV, and when I run into the market, just grab this instead of like a paper bag, which I have a few of them in the back. I keep some Target bags because they're material, and it's just, you know, I don't want to have to recycle. When we get our food delivery, it comes a lot of times in brown bags, and I just fold them up nicely, and they take them the next time they come and give them back, so I don't have to recycle them. That's a waste. So I give them back to the driver when I have a whole bunch, and they're always happy to take them back because they can recycle them and pack all their food in it or use it for whatever. But at least I'm not the one putting it out in the recycle bin. So I think a very good month for March 2024, Goddess Glow perfected. And I do agree with that. And like I said, you can scan the code, the bar right there, the QR code, and then it'll give you information on all the products. I don't generally do that. I can kind of figure them out. But if you want information on them, you can look them up on Macy's.com, or you can scan that bar code and get the information that you need. I think so far, everything that I filmed today, I'm filming as many as I physically can today, so that I can get one up on all these boxes that were piling up behind me. I mean, this table back here was full. I still have 1, 2, 3, 4 PR packages to do. I still have 2 regular monthly subscriptions to film today. So you're going to see me in the same shirt, looking the same way. I'm just, today's the first day. I'm 1 week post-op from back surgery. And today's the first day where I mean, I've been getting dressed, that I did my hair, put a little bit of makeup on, even had the energy or even felt like filming. A few days, I'm like, oh, maybe later. And then I'd be like, nah, I don't have it in me. I've been exhausted, not sleeping well. It's very uncomfortable to sleep. So, you know, I might go to bed at like 10 and then I'm up at 2 and then I'm up till 7 o'clock in the morning and I'm like, all right, now I'm tired again. I'll lay back down for another hour or 2. So it just throws your whole day off. You know, I'm still, you know, my back is so itchy where the incisions are. So that's why I keep on reaching around it. You know, the steri strips, the stitches, like everything is just like, ugh. You know, I can't drive yet. I get cleared, I think, next week. This week, because you'll be seeing all these videos this week. Wednesday, I think, and I should be fine at that point. You know, they just don't want you in the car. You know, they really don't even want you to be a passenger in a car, because if there's an accident, like, things are not, like, set inside your body yet. You know, you're still healing. Everything is, you know, your body's still adjusting to what was done to it. So, you know, they prefer that, you know, the first week that you pretty much just, like, lay low, stay in the house, just relax, you know. You know, and I have to limit my activities for 6 to 8 weeks. So that's going to be difficult for me, because I'm not one to do that. But I will do my best. I don't want to go through any of this stuff anymore. I'm like over it. Hopefully this will be, you know, what I need and what I want and what I expect from it. And then I'll have less pain, be able to do more, and, you know, it's a vicious cycle when you suffer from chronic back pain, or any chronic pain, really, to be able to finally be given an opportunity to, you know, have the high probability that it's going to help you is a bonus. So I'm going to keep moving while I have the energy. It's already 6 p.m., so I'm going to fizzle out soon, because usually by now I'm like, oh, I'm exhausted. I am tired, but I think I have enough energy to get a couple more done right now. So hopefully you're liking the videos, and if you are and you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, give it a thumbs up, all that good stuff. You know, hit the bell so that you're notified of all my videos. They don't come out like they used to, so notifications are key. Keep an eye on the community posts. Every once in a while I do post in there. But I'm going to keep on moving and get to the next one. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.